1. The giant Pacific octopus has 9 brains, 3 hearts, and blue blood. 2. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. 3. The largest spider in the world is the South American Goliath bird-eater. 4. Sloths spend most of their lives living in a tree, about 98%. 5. A cheetah can reach speeds from 0 to 113 km per hour in a matter of seconds. 6. Koalas and humans have very similar fingerprints. 7. The chicken could be the closest related animal to a T-Rex. 8. Sea otters hold hands when sleeping, so they don't drift apart. 9. Cows have best friends and are happier when they re with them. 10. Whales sleep with half a brain, so they do not drown. And finally, did you know that worms have 5 hearts? Hope you enjoyed these fascinating facts.